The journey of the Glock 19.
Compact efficiency begins with digital precision.
Smaller dimensions, same legendary reliability.
The world's most popular pistol starts here.
High-strength polymer prepares for the mold. Heat prepares the material for its new shape. The compact mold locks tight. The compact frame is formed in an instant. Cooling locks the polymer's strength.
The foundation of the Glock 19 emerges.
Precision automation handles the part. A procession of compact frames.
Checking tolerances to the micron.
Smoothing the rough edges.
Steel spines for the polymer body.
Reinforcing the frame with steel.
The slide begins as raw steel. Milling the compact slide profile. Excess steel is carved away. Keeping the steel cool and tempered. Boring the tunnel for the striker. Opening the path for spent shells.
Grip texture is machined in.
Removing the industrial oils. Hardening the steel slide. Oil quenching creates durability. Verifying the metal's toughness. Applying the protective finish.
The matte black look is complete.
The compact barrel begins. Forging accuracy into the steel.
The geometry of the barrel is checked. Shaping the barrel exterior.
Ensuring smooth feeding.
Protecting the barrel from wear.
Winding the compact spring.
The recoil assemble is ready. The trigger group comes together.
Installing the fire control.
Securing the internal parts.
Adding the controls. The mag release is set. Starting the slide assembly. Lining the striker channel. Installing the striker. The extractor is fitted. Safety mechanisms installed. Closing up the slide. Installing the rear sight. Securing the front sight. The barrel is placed. Adding the recoil spring.
Ready for final assembly.
Aligning the components. The parts slide together.
Locked into battery.
Cycling the action. Testing the trigger brake. Checking magazine seating.
Verifying sight alignment.
Preparing for the proof test.
The proof round is fired.
Watching the recoil cycle.
Proper ejection confirmed.
Checking for stress marks. Final cleaning.
Stamping the barrel ID.
Matching the slide ID.
Etching the brand logo.
Preparing the box.
Adding protective foam. Boxing the pistol. Adding the spare mag.
The compact frame is finished.
Including the speed loader. Adding the cleaning kit. Instructions included. Sealing the package. Labeling the inventory.
Stacking for shipment. Moving to the loading dock.
Shipping out.
Reviewing the process.
To expert assembly.
Precision accuracy.
Recognizability profile.
Production pauses.
Secure storage.
Tracking efficiency. Design executed.
Recycling materials.
Work completed.
The mark of quality.
Approved.
Ready for the user.
Secured.
The journey of the Glock 19.